Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the front stabilizing leg on your dryer. The reason why you might have to do this is because the leg is broken, damaged, or missing. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is the appliance that we'll be using in this demonstration. It's a GE. Keep in mind yours at home might look a little bit different than what we've got here, but the same techniques should still apply. So we're going to tip our dryer on the back. So in addition to the leveling legs that this dryer has, it also has these front stabilizing legs, which you'll see we have one on this side, but we're actually missing the other one on the other side. So grab your new OEM replacement stabilizing leg. If you don't have one already, you can find it on our online store. So to install the stabilizing leg, all you have to do is insert into the star-shaped hole, and you don't need to insert it any particular way, as long as 4 of the corners are in one of the stars, and just push it all the way in until it snaps in place. And then you can also twist it and adjust it as needed. But if you did have a leg that was already installed, for example, and the threads were broken, you could just use a flathead screwdriver and just pry that out a little bit, and once you've got it started, you can just pull it out straight the rest of the way. We'll put that back in there and just slide it in all the way. Now we'll stand our dryer back up, and once we've done that, we can plug everything back in and your repair is complete. So have you ever wondered what the slipperiest country is? It's Greece. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.